Tired of that leaky kitchen faucet? Replacing it yourself is easier than you think, but before you dive into the project, let's make sure you have the right tools. In this video, we'll go over the essential tools you will need to successfully replace your kitchen faucet, a must-have for any plumbing project. This versatile tool allows you to tighten and loosen nuts and bolts of various sizes. Show how to adjust the wrench to fit different sizes and how to apply force without damaging the fixtures. Used for gripping and turning pipes. It's essential for disconnecting the water supply lines to your faucet. A flathead or Phillips screwdriver, depending on the type of screws on your faucet. It's used to remove the faucet handle and escutcheon plate. A soft, malleable putty used to create a watertight seal between the faucet base and the countertop. A type-off pliers with adjustable jaws that can be used to grip and turn pipes or other objects. Use tucket caulk or sealant around the faucet base. Tummy assure the distance between the holes in your countertop and the holes in the new faucet to catch any water that may leak during the replacement process. Remember, having the right tools is essential for a successful kitchen faucet replacement. By gathering these tools beforehand, you'll be well prepared to tackle this DIY project. If you're ready to replace your kitchen faucet, be sure to check out our next video for a step-by-step guide. Always turn off the water supply before working on your faucet. Don't rush through the process. Take your time and follow the instructions carefully. Replacing a kitchen faucet can be a rewarding DIY project. Enjoy the process and the satisfaction of completing it yourself. Is your kitchen faucet starting to show its age? Are you tired of dealing with leaks, drips, or just plain old inefficiency? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your kitchen faucet. And the best part, before we dive into the tools and techniques, let's plan our project. First, choose your new faucet. Consider your kitchen style, your budget, and any specific features you want, like a pull-down spout or a soap dispenser. Once you have your tools, it's time to prepare the area. Turn off the water supply to your sink. You'll usually find the shut-off valves under the sink. Open the faucets to release any remaining water pressure. Now, place a bucket underneath the faucet to catch any drips or leaks during the replacement process. Let's start by removing the old faucet. Begin by disconnecting the water supply lines. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nuts on the supply lines. Once loose, disconnect the lines from the faucet. Next, remove any handles or knobs from the faucet. Use a screwdriver to remove any screws holding them in place. Once the handles are removed, you can access the mounting nut. Use a basin wrench to loosen and remove the mounting nut. This may require some force. Once the mounting nut is removed, the faucet should lift off the sink. Carefully remove the old faucet from the sink and set it aside. Clean the sink area to remove any old caulk or sealant, and there you have it. With a little planning and effort, you can replace your kitchen faucet and enjoy a more functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. Remember to follow the steps carefully and don't hesitate to consult a professional if you encounter any difficulties. Happy DIYing!